The cabin air filter in the 2018-2021 Ford Expedition is located behind the passenger side glove box. No underhood access is needed. Start by opening the glove box and emptying its contents. Then, locate and depress the glove box stoppers, usually by pushing inward on the sides to fully lower the glove box. Once lowered, you'll see the filter housing. Simply pull the old filter out of the housing. It's typically a push-in, pull-out design. Use gloves to avoid transferring dirt. Be sure to make note of the direction the filter is facing. With the old filter removed, insert the new filter into the housing. Ensure correct orientation. Arrows on the filter should point toward airflow, often towards the back of the vehicle. The OEM Ford part number is often FL9100S or similar. Check your owner's manual for the exact part. Aftermarket options, including activated carbon filters for odor removal, are also available. Once the new filter is in place, reassemble the glove box by pushing it back into position and ensuring the stoppers are engaged. Changing the filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or annually, is recommended to maintain good air quality and HVAC efficiency.